Hi everyone, this is Mariana and I'm here today to show you the science experiment of this week. This week we'll be doing the crystal names. So what we will need is the pipe cleaners, the wooden stick, the string, the borax, a pair of scissors, and also a cup of warm water. Now make sure that this water is warm, otherwise it takes a while for the borax to dissolve and sometimes it doesn't work that well. Okay, so first things first, we're going to shape the letters into the pipe cleaners. So I decided to do the first letter of my name, M, as Mariana, and the first letter of my last name. So I'll show you this way so it makes more sense now. So the letter M is Mariana and the letter S as Souza. Okay, so this is your first step. I already had it done here, so it's easier. You can also do just the first letter of your name or maybe a shape like a heart. It's really up to you, and whatever you come up with will be great. Okay, so after you've done that, what are we gonna do is get the borax and dissolve into the water. Here you go. Make sure all of it goes in it. And I'm gonna use a wooden stick to steer it, and you have to steer really well so that the borax doesn't just stay all at the bottom. So I'm gonna give a really good steer. All right, so next, this seems good. Next, what I'm gonna do is take my piece of string, and I have to cut a little piece. I mean, it has to be big enough, so this is what I'm thinking. I'm gonna cut it. And in order to make this work with my two letters, I'm actually only gonna attach it to the one end of my letter. But if you want, if you have space, actually, you can put on both sides. I only have space really for this side, so that's where I'm gonna put. Otherwise, it won't fit the cup. Okay, so I'm here, and I'm going to first wrap it around my pipe cleaner. So here, I wrap it around twice, so now it could be suspended. Then I'm going to also wrap it around my wooden stick. So I'm going to do it here first, and then I'll show you. So I'm wrapping it around it. Probably going to do about 3 times to make sure it's safe. And then I'm going to do the other one. This one I had more string left, so I'm doing more. Good. So I already know that my letters are a little too big and won't fit if I just dip in. I'm going to have part of the letter out, and that's not going to work. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to bend a little bit, put it down, and actually I'm going to use my wood stick to push it down. Good. And all you have to do now is just leave it here. See if it stays, I guess. Having some technical issues. Well, that's pretty good. There you go. So it is important that you leave it. So now I'm just going to leave it here. It's okay if it doesn't quite hang nicely into the cup, because all I need to do is suspend it after. And it's important that you leave it overnight, because then the borax has time to go through the process of sedimentation, which means that it's going to settle into the pipe cleaner. And as the borax continues to settle, it's going to crystallize and give you that crystal effect into the pipe cleaner that looks so good. So we are going to take this off tomorrow, and I will show you how the final product looks. I hope you enjoyed. We are super excited to see the photos and videos that you have to share for us. And have a great day. Bye.